Hello guys, welcome to this new tutorial. Today I will show you how to create a folder in Jenkins. So if we go back to our Jenkins panel here, you see that we have jobs here. Normally in the company don't like to have, the company likes stuff organized. When you will start working, you will see that your Jenkins server is very organized. So instead of having jobs all over the place, what we do is that we will group job into folder. So I will go ahead and create one folder, then we will be able to create some job inside and you will see how neat it is. So usually in the company, for example, you're going to have like, probably you can have a folder for every single area. So let's go ahead and create, for example, a folder for the DevOps team. Go to new item, so we can create a folder called DevOps. In that folder, we are going to put all the DevOps teams, so all the DevOps jobs. So click here, folder, and we can give him a name, a display name, which is the same like DevOps. Keep it simple for now. We apply and we save. If we go back, you will see that a folder was created instead. And in this folder now, this folder called DevOps that I created, I can now create jobs, right? I can come here, for example, and create a job. I can create like a, let's say, for example, I can create like a build, right? A build job, which can be simple pipeline job. I can create a simple pipeline build job here. So we go ahead and take probably this one. And you can create multiple jobs in the folder. As you can see, if I go back to dashboard, you don't see my build job. Why? Because it is located on that folder. If you open folder, you'll be able to see my build job. I can build this job and I can create multiple jobs, right? And I want you to notice something also, like I have the dashboard, which is a folder. Then I have this folder also, which is DevOps, and inside I have this job. So I can create another job. For example, I can say build, then I can create another job called test, a pipeline job as well. I can create a test pipeline job and build that job. As you guys can see, everything is organized. So inside this folder, I was able to create this job. So at work, what most of the company they like to do, you will see they're going to have folder. They might have another folder for development. That will be, oh, sorry, I went ahead and created a pipeline job instead. So let's go back, create a folder instead. Yes. So let me go back and delete this one first. Let's call it dev, make it simple. I can call it here dev, apply and save. If I go back, you will see that I have a folder for dev. And let's create another one. For example, for QA. That's for QA. And we can create maybe another one, production, for example. Here, prod, display name. Here. So that's why you see. Then at work, people don't like to see stuff like, I can now move this job, right? I can move this job somewhere. You can say move. So I can move that job probably into DevOps if I want and move it. And I can come here and move this job as well into probably prod. Now, if we look at our dashboard, everything is now organized. It's neat, it's simple. So most of the time at work, you're going to just see few folder here. And inside this folder, you are going to have jobs, right? Inside this folder here, you are going to have jobs. And you can put as many jobs as you want. You can even add a folder into a folder, right? So I can create a new item here. I can call this one, let's say call this one push, for example. So I can create a push folder and you guys will see that it will be a push folder into the DevOps folder. So see, a folder into a folder. So it's just like the Linux file system. A folder can carry a folder and a file. So just like a Linux file system. So that's how we do to create folder, and folder help us organize our Jenkins. Folder help us make our Jenkins look neat. I hope you like this video. See you in the next one.